What is up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today we're at Tampa International Airport doing some plane spotting, and right here we have a Delta 757 just about to push back from the gate going to Atlanta. And thank you guys for all the support. 547 subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the support. And I know it's been a little while. I'm sorry. Just because I've been working on my airport, adding a new layout to the airport. So this is where Airside E is. This is where Delta and Frontier park. I think also Air Canada. And then Airside F parks American, British Airways, Edelweiss, WestJet, and Discover Air Eurowings. And then there's two terminals in the back. They park JetBlue, Spirit, United, and Silver, and the other one parks Southwest, Breeze, and Alaska, and also Avelo. So here we go. We have one of the 757s pushing back. Yeah, it looks like this one's gonna depart. This is gonna be fun. Oh, we have another one over there. We have one right there. I think it's another American Air. I think it's an American Airlines plane. I think it's a 737 or an Airbus. Yeah, it's a beautiful day in Tampa with the blue skies. And yeah, it's been fun coming to. It's always fun to come to Tampa because they have a good spotting deck, and I think it's one of the best airports to go for me. Here we go. We got one of the 757s pushing back from the gate. It's what a beautiful 757 it is. Just love the 757. Sometimes they'll bring the 767 on this route from Atlanta because it's a really busy route. It's mostly on the 757-200 and sometimes on the 757-300. And ooh, what do we have here? We have an American 737 just arriving. Here we got an American Airbus A321 departing. I think he's going to go to Dallas or Los Angeles. This one right here. That's a beautiful, nice airplane, the Airbus A321. And there it is, the 757 pushing back. And there's the other one parked at the gate. There's the American 737 going to the terminal. Yeah, my dad actually flew the 757 from Delta from Tampa to Atlanta and to Atlanta to Kansas City. This is pretty interesting to see because these 757s are only seen here in the United States. Most of them are used for cargo because they replaced it with newer airplanes like the A321neo. Well, there's the 757 right behind there, and it's going to be taxiing to the runway pretty soon for departure.
Getting it on, Robert? How much did your tripod cost?
It was probably $60.
$60?
I think.
Yeah. So when you do your thing about your airport, you use that, right? Yeah.
Correct, I use it. And the reason why I use a tripod is because it's better quality and I have a microphone so you guys can hear me more. And in my older videos I had just my phone. Plus I'll get better shots. There's the American 737 arriving into the terminal. Parking into the American Airlines spots. Gates. Yeah, the 757 is right behind there. Probably can't see him, but he's right there behind this roundabout.
then you're okay. Yeah.
And then here's the bay, Tampa Bay in the horizon.
And I think there
You
are
got St. Petersburg
airlines even with that.
in the distance.
They won't take you.
And then the port is out there, and the skyline is right there. Yeah, there's the 737 American pulling into the gate. And this he's arriving in from Chicago or from New York. Up, Delta 757 is starting to move. Yeah, there he goes. The Delta 757 is starting to move. Coming out for departure. We'll be able to see him take off. If you guys saw my last Tampa airport video, I was hoping to see this plane take off, but I was just holding because of the weather, and my battery was dead. I did that last year when we came here. So hopefully this time we'll see him take off this time. Yeah, let me move over here so you get a better shot. There he goes, out to the runway for departure out to Atlanta. That's Delta's home base. Atlanta Hartsfield Jackson International Airport. It's their home base. They got hubs in Atlanta, Detroit, Seattle, New York JFK, Salt Lake City, and Los Angeles. I think also in Minneapolis. There's a American at the gate, the 737-800. But then goes to Delta 752, taxiing out for departure. And then the other 757 is at the gate, still probably getting cleaned and boarding passengers. There he goes, out to the runway. Yeah, there he goes, out to the runway. Oh yeah, the American A321 is probably on the runway. I think. It probably is. The busiest time for the airport in Tampa is in the evening, because it's when all the heavies, well, also in the afternoon, because the heavies, they arrive, and then in the night they depart out to Europe. There's the train that takes you to the terminal and to the main area, to the parking lot. You got this this train right here. It comes from the terminal to transport passengers that are going or arriving from their flight to the main terminal. Yeah, the Delta 757 is just holding right over there. He's just holding in position for takeoff on the taxiway. But have you guys ever flew a Delta 757? Comment down below. I'd like to know that. Cause I never flew on a 757 for Delta. I only flew them long on international on their Airbus A330. It'll be good to know if you guys flew on a 757 from Delta or any other airline in the past or now. There's the American Probably can't see him, but he's right over there. He's right over there at the gate. Probably deboarding its passengers from its flight. Spot over there, and it's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. A lot of spotters like to come to this airport because of the views. Okay, here we go. We got an American Airlines Airbus A321, probably going to Dallas or LAX. There he goes. There he goes. The American Airbus A321. Probably can't see him because the sun's glare. Yeah, let's see what's going on. We're gonna go to another viewing spot. Here, let's move to another viewing point so you guys can get a different view of the airport, because we already saw that portion. Oh, what is that? What is that? We have a special airplane right over there. Let's see what it is. It's like a private jet. And it looks pretty big too. It's like an Airbus. It's an A330. Okay, here we go. This is the cargo ramp. I have a UPS McDonnell Douglas MD-11 and a UPS 757, Delta A320, and a Frontier A320. Well, look at that. We have a special airplane. It's like a private jet. Oh, he's departing. He's departing. Yeah, there he goes. He's departing. It's like a private jet. Oh, yeah. He's going. He's going. There he goes. It's like a private jet from some sort of Air Force. Okay, let's watch him. This is pretty epic. This is pretty epic to see. There he goes. It's like a Canadian Air Force A330. Canadian Air Force Airbus A330. Wow, he took a pretty steep takeoff. That was pretty cool to see, guys. Or an Air Force plane. Oh, here we go. We got some new departures. We got a Spirit A320neo for departure. And I got a Southwest 737 for departure. And the Delta 757 is right behind it. So we got three airplanes departing. Oh, we got another Southwest 737 departing too. 737-800. Southwest is actually the largest, most popular airline that serves Tampa as one of their hubs. And also Orlando is also their big hub in Florida. Oh, wow, these two planes are taxiing pretty quick. Oh, it's pretty cool to see, guys. A Canadian Air Force Airbus A330 probably going to Canada, maybe to Toronto or Montreal, to who knows where. But that was pretty interesting to see. I haven't seen a wide-body jet in a while, because I haven't done spotting in a few months, since we did that Miami plane spotting video a few months ago. We got the Southwest 737 departing. And we got a Spirit A320neo, a Delta 757-200, and a Southwest 737-800. Okay, here we go. Oh, we have another Spirit A320. Also departing. Here we go. There we go. Is our first departure. The Southwest 737. Right there. You probably can't see him because of the glare. He's departing. Let's move over here. There we go, Southwest 737. There we go, Southwest 737 taking off. Like a Canadian Air.
Hello, Robert. Yeah.
There's some more planes coming.
Yeah, but we have to go because it's 2 o'clock and we have to leave by 20 after 2. So it's still free.
Oh my goodness. There's a Delta 757 I want to see take off first. Oh, I have a Spirit A320neo departing. There goes Spirit A320neo. There it goes, Spirit A320neo.
That's not even a 737.
It's an Airbus.
It's an Airbus.
It's an A320neo. Oh, there was a wasp on my tripod. I had to knock it off.
What was that?
A wasp on my tripod.
Oh, jeez.
On my phone.
Oh, great. So there's another 757 taking off. Where is it?
It's over there.
So it's taxiing.
It was a Canadian Air Force A330 departing.
Really? Canadian Air Force?
It was taking off. I saw it.
Really?
Off.
Wow. Wonder what they're doing down here.
Probably doing some sort of mission. Oh, I hear it. That's a 757. It is. I think that's a 757, guys, taking off.
I can't even see it.
But I hear its engines. Okay, there it is. There it is. There it is, Delta 757.
It's a Delta, isn't it?
Yep. There it goes, 757. Ooh, it's Pratt & Whitney engines. Woohoo! Off he goes to Atlanta. What a beautiful 757.
It's a big plane.
Alrighty guys, that's going to be the end for this plane spotting video. I hope you guys enjoy it and seeing the 757 in the special Canadian Air Force Airbus A330. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what spotting videos you want to see next. And Tampa is an amazing airport. Good spotting deck. Good airplanes to see. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Peace out.